Hey everyone, it's Kayla with the Celebration Company, and I've got something fun for you today. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And also be sure to check me out on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram for a lot of other fun ideas just like this one. Okay, so for a super simple, easy sign with black and white, sort of farmhouse looking letters, I'm making a patriotic sign. So we're doing 1776, and I'm using a wooden canvas. This is from Dollar Tree. It's a $3 sign from Dollar Tree Plus, and I believe it's 11 by 14 is the size. We're using the back side of it so that we have a frame, and I'm using Waverly chalk paint and ivory to paint the background. And I just used a flat brush to trim in around the edges. Then we're going to take some frog tape and just tape the frame off or tape the background so that we don't get any paint onto the background. I just used my knife to trim that tape so that we got nice clean corners. And then I'm using apple barrel burnt umber acrylic paint to stain the frame. I'm just putting a little bit on with a brush, and then I'm using a baby wipe to smooth it out and get rid of any of the excess so that it is nicely stained. All right, so then I'm just going to remove the tape. I did get a little bit of paint on the background, so I just touched that up. And now we're going to put our numbers on. So I'm using these stickers that I got from Hobby Lobby, and they are 6-inch, and I'm doing 1776. I think this would be great to do. You could do your anniversary year that you got married, or you could do your house number. There's so many different things that you could do if you didn't want to do a patriotic sign. But it's just super simple. These little letters from Hobby Lobby make it so easy. I got these letters actually on clearance, but you can get them at Hobby Lobby over where the poster board and the teacher stuff is. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this simple and easy craft. Have an awesome day.